I wanted to do something for my hands because it every times get so rough recently. I have a baby smooth hand, but after working into cosmetic, regular washing makes me to think how hard my hand changed out. So I'm thinking for 2 years, but now I'm also wondering many moms, especially my mom, always cleans. I do helping, but I am not that much helpful in doing chores. So I wanted to do something, a hand cream that also can be used as a multi-purpose feet cream. So we are going to make this formulation. This is how the inspiration came out. I should also wanted this hand cream not in a greasy texture, but it also contains 50% of oil phase. Will be not like water in consistency. It does not feel like lotion. You will have a thick cream, but it is not greasy. The full formulation with supplier details given in the caption. So check down below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down. I'm using BTMS 50 as my emulsifier with little bit of cetyl alcohol, and I am also using 3 types of butters here. First is Kokum Butter, next is Shea Butter and Kokum Butter here. You can customize the butters according to your preference here. So if you don't have any one of these butters, you can skip it. You can add 1 butter totally here, or else you can reduce this percentage and add more distilled water here. If you are new to this channel, then welcome. I am happy that you are watching till now, and please subscribe to my channel. You can check out my videos. I have different types of formulating, from soap making to cosmetics, hair care, skin care and body care. So subscribe to my channel. It will help me to motivate and do more videos like this. Thank you. After measuring everything, we are going to melt down this using double boiler method. Now our butters are melted down completely. You can add the water phase to the oil phase, mix it well and blend it using stick blender. So I added 4% of BTMS 50, but still it feels like a milky in texture. So let's wait and see until tomorrow. We are going to add our cool down phase ingredients that are heat sensitive. I love vanilla scents here, so I'm going to use vanilla fragrance oil here with my liquid germal plus preservative and a little bit of vitamin E to prevent the rancidity of oils and butters here. I'm wondering why it is milky in texture, because I have remelted the oil phase again because suddenly I got a stomachache and I also got a cold, and I have switched off the stove. Again the oil phase got little clumped up, so I got to melt again, and that is why it is like this. So let's wait and see what is happening. So we are going to color it with a little bit of copper rose mica here. It turns out so beautifully, and the emulsion is still milky in texture. So let's leave it overnight and we can see how it is going to turn out. Leaving out your product overnight is important in emulsions because in the next day you can see the texture difference or sometimes the stability can break, the emulsion can break. So let's wait for 24 hours. So here after the day the emulsion got separated, I will attach the photo you can see, but here is how it is turned out. I was wondering what happened wrong because I have 2 times melted the oil phase, whether it is the reason or I'm wondering what went wrong. After mixing it, it was like all okay, but after sometimes I'm leaving it in the container, it again gets separated. This is my second time my emulsion got breaked, but it's okay. Thank you. Happy formulating.